welcome.
We're at Origin Camera, baby. Our favorite place on earth. The greatest people on earth.
With one of the greatest people on earth, Cameron Forster Films.
Oh.
Cameron is a homie. We wizard with technical stuff. Today, me, Cameron, Ryan, we're gonna figure out how to set up this Tilta Hydra alien car mount.
I've wanted to buy this thing for a long time.
It's actually a pretty old system. It's been around for...
Well, that was 2019 when I was looking
Couple
at buying
years,
it. So
yeah.
around then it came out.
So we're gonna take you along, show you how it works as we figure it out. We partially used this on a recent short film. We used pieces of it.
So Ramsey's actual car has a fancy hood that's fiberglass, so we couldn't stick magnets to it. Aluminum.
It wasn't magnetic.
Aluminum. So we had to use these suction cups, and the round wheels kit didn't have. These are called pump cups, I believe.
Yeah.
So they have this little pump on them, and it really allows you to, like, here's a good look at it here. So you got two sizes. We have a small one and a big one. But this pump on here allows you to really get good suction on these, because it's basically sucking the air out of the cup. Whereas a cup like this, the round wheel cups, they don't allow you to pump. So they kind of are a little scary, in my opinion.
I'm gonna attach it to a bunch of this stuff.
I roughly know what's going on, but
That's the idea.
Yeah.
That's the idea, and we're gonna show you how it works. Pretty cool system, pretty inexpensive, and it is available for you to rent from our lovely friends at Origin Camera Rental, 1010 Polytech Street in Ottawa. Honestly, I can't even begin to express how great of a resource Origin Camera Rental is, because they will let you come in here and play with equipment. Obviously, not play in a stupid way, but like experiment, test, use $100,000 cameras, experiment with lenses, figure out what equipment that you might want to use on a future project based on your style choices. You can come in here, build a relationship with them, build a relationship with high-end camera gear so that you can take your stuff to the next level, because it's kind of unrealistic to just buy everything. And you don't need to just buy everything. Just casually, like behind us, we have this RE, which one is this?
There's a Mini LF.
This is an RE Mini LF, full carbon fiber construction. This is a legendary camera. A lot of the movies that you've seen in your life have been shot on an RE. So, I mean, if you're interested in getting acquainted with one of these cameras, best way to do it is get hands-on. Take care of the equipment. This is a very expensive piece, but it's a very useful tool. And I'll emphasize that it's a tool, not, like, don't be scared of it. It's a tool. It's the same way you have like an angle grinder in your garage working on your 30-year-old chip box. We're gonna get into this stuff. Cameron's already going. Ryan's on his way with our gimbal that we're gonna attach to this. The vehicle we're gonna use is outside. We're gonna use the Subaru Legacy wagon. We're gonna do a shot from the front, looking at the back of a car, and a shot out the back, looking at the front of the car. Come along, let's see what we can create.
Screwdriver slip.
Same as that. Now this we can plug in
This.
tethered.
Okay.
So we have a cable for that tether.
Here.
Do that too, but that just controls.
Oh, Ryan's also here now.
Yeah, no, wireless.
Hi. He's the guy holding the We're about to hang the camera that's shooting BTS. There's also no cable in there. Excuse the mild drop in quality now. Our BTS camera is going on the gimbal. Brian's here. We're shooting on the GoPro now because we're going to show you some BTS from this, but we're almost there. We're getting closer. This is going great. So we're on our way. We got our Tilta wireless thingy. We're gonna run a Raven Eye wireless video system. We're gonna run a Cameron mobile key light. Man, DJI, you need to make your stuff a little bit more DJI-able. Oh, we have video feed.
Fuck yeah.
Look at that.
Paparazzi.
That's my hand in front of it. I think we're ready. We're gonna go outside now and attach this to a car. And hopefully it doesn't fall. Sorry,
It's not heavy. It actually is not. It's a little heavier than I thought it would be.
Okay, so whenever you're suction mounting, clean surface, and safety straps. I don't know where the other piece is gonna go. Do we wanna shoot this way? Every time I see an alarm truck. That's pretty gnarly, dude. There's no way that's gonna suction. No, that's fucking... This is stuff they don't show you in the Tilta commercial. They sell you on this shit and they make it look so easy, but the reality is, like, you need a crew of people to run one of these systems. We're in the not so glamorous parking lot of Origin Camera Rental, 1010 Polytech Street in Ottawa. We got Ryan's lovely machine over here that he's spent many hours and blood, sweat, and tears building, which we're gonna film. The rig is almost safety strapped in. We got, oh no, it's in 360. Oh no, Cancel. Sony A7S III, variable ND filter. We got the Raven Eye follow focus down here. 2 V-mount batteries for balance, but also power. This Tilta wireless thing is sending us gimbal control over there. And now we just gotta tidy up these ratchet straps and we're gonna go test it. And if it doesn't fly off, then you're gonna see some really dope footage of Ryan's car in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All right, we're back to the real camera. It's still hanging off the car right now. That was fun. That was safe.
No, it was safe.
It was pretty safe.
It was safe.
Much safer than hanging your body out of a car. But honestly, I hope you learned how this is done. Big shout out to Cameron and Ryan, who's right here.
And yeah. Ryan's awesome car.
Yeah, Ryan's awesome car that's never been filmed before driving, which honored to have done that. So yeah, if you're gonna do this, I suggest do not ever do this without safety straps.
Never, ever. You see so many horror stories of these things flying off. Because
if these fail, if the suction cups fail, you're done. You're losing your camera. Doing this alone would be very difficult. So bring a crew, bring some safety straps. Be prepared for your camera to fly off the car because it is a possibility, but it is preventable. And I'm really pumped on that BTS shot from the GoPro. With the actual shot, I don't know what we're gonna actually do with the footage, but proof of concept because we film a lot of cars. So in the future, we'll probably mount some heavier duty stuff. There's many better, different ways to do this. This is just the easiest, kind of cheapest way to get a car rig without having to heavily modify your vehicle. Shout out Subaru Canada for making an excellent vehicle. Thank you for watching. I'm Ramsey, this is Cameron, this is Ryan. It's Arm. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.